So guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will talk about Git and GitHub. Git is a distributed version control system. So guys, here we have a version control system. As you can see here, this is our version control system, and four developers are working in the same project, and let us know how version control system can help them. So let's assume that developer 1 made some modification in the code, and it will be sent to version control system, and it will send the copies of that code to all the developers, and vice versa. Also, this version control system can save the history of modifications made by the developers, and provide it to all the developers. And Git is also that type of version control system. So guys, let us know why we need a version control system. When there is no version control system, developers face many problems while they send their codes to each other. So, for example, three developers are working in the same project and they want their code to be shared to each other. So, the only thing by which they can share their codes is a zip file of their project. So if two developers write some code and they have to integrate that code, then they face many problems while doing that. They can't do that dynamically, and also they can't work remotely. So to solve this problem, we need a version control system. Git is also that type of version control system, and it is very best and free version control system. So let us know how to install Git in your operating system. To download Git, go to the website of Git and then click on downloads. After that, select your operating system and downloading will start after that. After downloading Git, you can install it, and it is not just complicated. If you are a Windows user, then you will also get a bash command line with Git, and you can use that command line instead of your CMD, and also you have to use Git from that command line. There is a easy way to download and install Git on your Linux operating system. You just need to open your terminal, and if your distribution is Debian based, then you can run the command sudo apt install git -all, and if your distribution is RPM based, then you can run the command sudo dnf install git -all. So the next thing is, how can you use your Git? To use Git, you have to open your terminal or your bash, and there you have to run some commands to perform actions. I will explain all the commands of Git in another video. So now we will talk about GitHub. So GitHub is a website for Git, and you can use your Git also from website. GitHub have some additional features. I will make another video on GitHub also.